In this tutorial, I'm going to show you one of the most useful workflow techniques in Unreal Engine, converting a group of meshes into a blueprint class. If you've ever built a detailed environmental asset like a table setup, a street lamp assembly, a market stall, or an entire modular structure, you've probably ended up with dozens of individual meshes cluttering your outliner. Instead of managing each object separately, Unreal allows us to combine them into a blueprint actor that behaves like a reusable prefab. This gives us several advantages: cleaner outliner organization, easier level management, reusable environmental assets, faster scene building, the ability to add interactivity and logic later,